guys, this is Ravi. Well, this time around I'm doing a Marathi movie trailer reaction. The movie's name is Chaurya. Well, this movie's trailer has been suggested by Prasad. Thank you, Prasad. You've been supporting me from day one of my channel. Well, I'm not sure about the movie and its genre. I've also been suggested to do a trailer reaction for a movie named YZ. I watched the trailer, but I really could not understand anything in detail about it. I've understood and I could predict something, but because there was so much of Marathi only being talked and there were no subtitles, I really could not understand whether what I was thinking and what they were talking were the same or not. And I really don't want to upload a very bad reaction and say that okay, this is what I understood and this is how the movie turned out to be. Kindly let me know if there is any subtitle version for the trailer. I would really want to watch it one more time and give a proper feedback about it. Well, anyways, let's watch the trailer for Chaurya. There are no actor names mentioned along with the trailer's name, so let's watch it and I'll talk more about it.
सत्य, अहिंसा, सहिष्णुता या सगळ्या फालतू गोष्टी बुका आहेत. साल्या मसनातले लाकडं पण आजकाल फुकट नाही मिळत. डाव मोठा आहे.
या यात्रेत देवाचीच दानपेटी लुटायची अशी टीप मिळाली.
आमच्या गावातले सगळ्यांचे दरवाजे उघडे असतात. आता देवाच्या मंदिरावर पाहणार लोकांच्या श्रद्धेचं काय हो.
It's very raw, it's looking very intense and very raw.
देवाची पुरी वाट लागली वाट. आता ते पोलीसवाले होते का चोर जाम लोचाई साहेब.
तू चोरी करून दानपेटीत पैसे टाकणाऱ्यांना शिक्षा करत नाही, तर दानपेटी लुटणाऱ्यांना कशाला शिक्षा करेल.
Chaurya. Is it something related to chore and all? Robbery? Is that the movie about? I'm not sure what Chaurya means. Okay, whatever it is, the cinematography looks pretty intense, right? The kind of camera angles that have been used and the kind of frames that they selected, the kind of lighting that they selected. If you see the barren lands sequence, it's completely brown and in sepia mode. But when it comes to the night part of the trailer, I mean, where you can see that puja and worship is being done at the temple, it's very elegant and yellow color lighting. And if you see the dark sequences where the robbery or crime is happening and they were just shooting and all, kind of blue and black color light has been used. Color selection is just fantastic. I'm not sure whether it is a robbery or whether it is a crime sequence, whether it is some kind of revenge that is happening there. Not too many characters were shown. I think there's two different stories going in. I don't know if it has got some kind of relation with the temple. There's some robbery happening. There's some kind of chase happening. Two different kind of groups, because you can see that one person has shot someone and he was being followed by somebody else with a gun, right? It involves cop and robbers, I believe, or the cops and murderers. And it is also involving a temple, probably something regarding the money of the temple or something around that. There's a politician being shown, because there's something related to belief and betrayal in the trailer, so that is how I'm trying to link it. It may go completely wrong. This is just my understanding by looking at it. So whatever it is, looks like this movie is from the makers of Funtru. I watched the Funtru's trailer, that's science fiction trailer, right? I really liked it. Off late Marathi movies are creating lots of interest for me. I'm about to watch a Fandry movie. I've asked for a DVD from one of my Marathi friends. He said he'll get it in next 2-3 weeks. So once I get it, I'll for sure watch it. Well, whatever it is, this movie looks like it's pretty intense and all. Do let me know if the movie has already got released, because it's showing that it is going to release in August, and it is already the first week of August, right? If it already got released, do let me know about your review. So whatever it is, I'm really happy that you guys have suggested me. So keep the suggestions coming in, and I'll hopefully do all the trailer reactions for them. Thank you, thanks a lot. Have a nice day.